Place towel bars and hooks where they are easy to reach, out of splash zones, and aligned with user reach and towel length. Start by measuring user reach and the towel sizes you will hang to determine mounting height and spacing. For a standard bath towel plan, for hang clearance of at least 18 inches from the bottom of the bar to the floor to allow full airflow and avoid dragging. Always locate and mount into wall studs when possible for maximum holding strength, using a stud finder and marking stud centers before drilling. If studs are not available, choose the correct wall anchors for your wall type. Use heavy-duty toggle anchors for hollow drywall, self-drilling anchors for light loads, and plastic anchors only for very light fixtures. Pre-drill pilot holes sized to the screw diameter to prevent splitting tile or wood and to align screws precisely. When drilling into tile, use a carbide or diamond-tipped bit and tape the spot to stop the drill bit from walking. Use a small level and a marking guide or template to transfer measurements to the wall so your bars and multiple hooks stay perfectly horizontal and evenly spaced. After mounting, test load and range of motion by hanging damp towels and a heavier item to confirm anchors and screws hold and that the bar stays parallel to the wall. One common mistake is mounting too low, which causes towels to touch the floor and stay damp. Fix this by measuring at least 18 inches of clearance from the bar bottom to the floor and considering user height. Another issue is relying on drywall alone, which leads to pull-out, so use stud mounting or heavy-duty toggle anchors rated for the expected load. A third problem is misaligned or crooked installation. Avoid this by using a level and a paper or cardboard template to mark all screw locations before drilling. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like towel hardware installation, so you can find local help and compare practical advice. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, placement suggestions, and contractor experiences, and we make it easy for contractors to find work through homeowner project posts.